This organ that we have, the smallest organ, the tongue, is also potentially the most dangerous organ that we have. Most of the problems that you see in our daily lives, in our family life, in our social lives, are caused by this tongue which we do not control, this tongue which exceeds its limit. In the month of Ramadan, one of our greatest challenges, my dear brothers and sisters, is to control this organ, is to control the tongue. We have many beautiful narrations from the Ahlulbayt, peace be upon them, that talk about developing the intellect, the aql, that power to see right from wrong, that power which allows you to prepare for the akhirah. One of the most important tools to develop the intellect is silence, is to refrain from excessive talking. The more we talk, the more we sin. That's the reality. The more we start gossiping, the more we backbite, the more we wrongly accuse other people. And this does a lot of damage. One word sometimes that wounds someone's heart can leave an indelible mark, an everlasting mark in their life that they'll never forget. You know, the Arab poet says very beautifully the difference between a sword and a tongue. He says, Jirahatu sinani lahal tiyamu. Sinan are those sharp objects like swords. If you wound someone with a sword, it can heal. The wound can heal. But then he says, وَلَا يَلْتَامُ مَا جَرَحَ اللِّسَانِ. But if your tongue injures someone, sometimes that person never recovers from that. The more we talk, the more naturally we will wrong other people.